Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Idol English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, grammar B, C, D and E. So my dear students, class Junior 1, subject English, topic grammar B, C, D and E, term annual, lecture 12 SW10, teacher Ariful Islam, contact number my, messenger ID and today's date. So my dear students, let's start the class. Annual term, lecture 12, grammar number B, write the plural form of the following nouns. In your exam, you will also find this kind of copy. You will have to write the answer in the box. So what is plural and what is singular? I want to mention you that what is singular and what is plural. If I say one ball, this is singular, one ball. If I say two balls, three balls, these are plural. So if anything presents one thing, we say it's singular. If anything present more than one, two, three, this is called plural. So my dear students, so we will have to make this singular number into plural number. School, if we make it plural, it will be schools. S-C-H-O-O-L-S. So school, schools. Cake, cakes. Okay, dress, this will be dresses. Dress, dresses. Roof, roofs. Roof, roofs. Leaf, leaf will be leaves. And tomato will be tomatoes. Tomatoes. Piano, pianos. Key, keys. Okay, so school, schools. Cake, cakes. Dress, dresses. Roof, roofs. Leaf, leaves. Tomato, tomatoes. Piano, pianos. And key, keys. So write the number C. We will move to number C. Write the missing feminine nouns, masculine and feminine. So what is masculine? School, schools. Number C, write the missing feminine nouns, masculine and feminine. Okay, so roof, so roof, roofs. Okay, I'm correcting roof, roofs. So what is masculine and feminine? If I say father, father is masculine and mother, mother is feminine. Father masculine, mother is feminine. So my students, write the missing feminine nouns, masculine, feminine. Lion, the answer will be lioness. L-I-O-N-E-S-S, lioness. Boy, girl. Dog, bitch. B-I-T-C-H, dog, bitch. Father, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. King, queen. King, queen. Okay, man, woman. Uncle, aunt. And brother, sister. Okay, so lion, lioness, boy, girl, dog, bitch, father, mother, king, queen, man, woman, uncle, aunt, brother, sister. We'll move to next part. Fill in the blanks with consonants. So what are consonant? So if we know what is vowel are 5: A, E, I, O, U. So A, E, I, O, U, there's a vowel, and all the letters are consonant. Okay, there's a vowel and all the letters are the consonant. So you have to fill in the blanks with the consonant. You have to make a word. So A, C, E. If I write F, A, C, face, F consonant, C consonant. Okay, so face is a word. Number 2, C dash O dash on. If I write CLOWN, clown is a word. So this is correct. L and W consonant. Number 3, I dash E. So if I write kite, KITE. So kite is a word, okay, and K and T are consonant. If I write viol dash IN, if I write VIOLIN, violin, okay, so violin is a word, L and N are consonant. Number 5, VA dash, if I write N, VN, van, N is consonant. Number 6, dash AT, if I write mat, MAT, mat is correct. If you write cat, this is also correct. So I have written number 1, face, FAC, number 2, clown, CLOWN, number 3, KIT, kite, number 4, VIOLIN, number 5, van, number 6, mat. Number E, grammar number E, write the names of 12 months. You know what are the 12 months? So first month is January, you know, and all the names of the month, the first letter will be in capital. January, JANUARY, January. Next, February, January, February, then March, then April, May, June, July, August, AUGUST, September, October, no space there, I will write here number 11 number month, November, NOVEMBER, November. Number 12, December. Okay, so write the names of 12 months: 1 January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. I'm reading for the last time very quickly. Number B, write the plural from the following nouns: school, schools, cake, cakes, dress, dresses, roof, roofs, leaf, leaves, tomato, tomatoes, piano, pianos, key, keys. Write the missing feminine nouns: masculine, feminine, lion, lioness, boy, girl, dog, beats, father, mother, king, queen, man, woman, uncle, aunt, brother, sister. Fill in the blanks with consonant. Number 1, face, 2, clown, kite, violin, van, mat, and all the letters must have to be consonant. Write the names of 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So your homework 10 will be submitted on Sunday. Grammar B, C, D, and E. Homework 10 submit on Sunday. Grammar B, C, D, and E. So my dear students, that's all for today. Do your S and SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 p.m. in the school library. We will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 p.m. in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SB and city mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. We are giving 2 marks each of your SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. About your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.